Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with HP, which unveils AI integrated Copilot PC. Motorola Razr 60 Ultra arrives in India. Perplexity launches new AI voice assistant for iPhone users. HP to double PC production in India by 2031. Adobe Firefly AI app gets upon access. WhatsApp rolls out new privacy features, secret code for locked chats. And finally, about Blue Smart co-founder detained by ED in foreign investment case. So, in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of SIM? And the answer is Subscriber Identity Module. Now, it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Which was the first touchscreen phone in the world? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news, we have HP, which has launched a new range of AI PCs under its Copilot brand in India, signaling a shift towards smart computing. These new devices are built to handle on-device AI tasks like voice assistance, smart summarization, and personalized user experience. The lineup includes business laptops and consumer PCs equipped with Intel's Core Ultra processors, which feature integrated NPUs for enhanced AI performance. HP claims these PCs are not only faster but also more secure, as many tasks can now be executed locally without sending data to the cloud. Features like real-time transcription, intelligent noise cancellation, and advanced video conferencing tools are baked in. The idea is to create a smarter, more intuitive computing experience, especially relevant in hybrid work settings. With price starting from mid-range segments, HP aims to make AI PCs accessible to a wider audience in India. This launch also aligns with Microsoft's broader strategy of Copilot integration across Windows devices. So, as AI continues to redefine personal computing, HP's new range could lead the next wave of smarter, more responsive machines tailored for both work and life. Moving on, we have Motorola, which is making waves again in the foldable smartphone segment with the launch of Razr 60 Ultra in India. The phone combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, boasting a stylish clamshell design reminiscent of original Razr, now reimagined with modern hardware. Razr 60 Ultra comes equipped with 6.9-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and 3.6-inch external screen, one of the largest in any foldable phone to date. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, features 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage. Device supports 144Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals and gaming experience. Camera front, it has 12MP main sensor and 13MP ultra-wide camera, along with advanced photography features like AI-enhanced image processing. Phone runs on Android 13 and is backed by 3800 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Motorola is targeting tech enthusiasts and premium users looking for a unique blend of style and performance. It is priced around 82,999. Razr 60 Ultra may not be cheap, but it's certainly turning heads into Indian market. As foldable continues to gain traction, Motorola's aggressive entry could further shake up the competition. Moving on, in a significant move that could reshape how iPhone users interact with AI, Perplexity has launched a new voice-based AI assistant exclusively for iOS users. Unlike traditional assistants like Siri, Perplexity's new tool is powered by its own AI engine, offering more advanced contextual and search-centric response. What sets it apart? For starters, it directly integrates real-time web data to provide up-to-date answers instead of static response. Users can simply ask questions through voice commands, receive precise, source-backed answers in a conversational tone. Assistant also provides follow-up prompts, making it easier to explore a topic without starting over. The app combines Perplexity's signature answer engine with a voice-first interface that resembles a natural chat. Integration is designed to reduce screen dependency, speed up access to relevant information, something specially useful for multitasker and professionals on the go. This AI voice assistant is expected to compete the likes of Google Assistant and even ChatGPT's voice mode by offering users streamlined intelligent Q&A experience. As AI assistant becomes smarter and more integrated into daily life, Perplexity's latest innovation could mark a turning point in how voice tech evolves on Apple's ecosystem. Now we have HP, which has made a bold commitment to India's tech manufacturing center by announcing its plan to double PC production in the country by 2031. Announcement aligns with India's growing push for self-reliance in electronics and digital infrastructure. Currently, 1 in 6 HP PCs sold in India is made locally, but the company aims to ramp that up 1 in 3. This shift is expected to significantly reduce dependence on imports, enhance supply chain efficiency, potentially lower costs for Indian consumers. Company is also looking to expand its ecosystem of suppliers and partners within India. HP's focus is not just quantity but also quality, emphasizing high performance computing, AI integrated devices, and smarter connectivity. This move follows global trends as companies like Apple, Samsung also explores shifting production away from China. HP's expansion will likely boost employment, create new business opportunities for local firms, and contribute to India's ambition of becoming a global electronic hub. This development marks another milestone in government's Make in India initiative, and it showcases how multinational companies are increasingly seeing India not just as a market but as a manufacturing powerhouse. We have Adobe Creative AI Firefly just received a massive upgrade. It's now accessible to everyone as a standalone app and is integrated with OpenAI and Google Cloud. Designed for designers, content creators, and marketers, Firefly can generate high quality images, text effects, and creative elements using simple prompts. What makes Firefly exciting is its seamless blend of AI creativity with Adobe's renowned design tools. Users can generate artwork, customize design, even modify existing images just by describing what they want. It's like having a professional graphic designer on call 24/7. With the new integrations, Firefly is now even more powerful. Google Cloud's infrastructure ensures faster performance, scalability, while OpenAI's tech backbone allows more intuitive and contextual relevant generation. Adobe also emphasized responsible AI use with built-in content credentials to indicate whether an image was AI generated. This opens up a new world for brands and creators, enabling faster production timelines, eliminating the need for advanced design skills. So, whether you are building social media content, market banners, or storyboards, Firefly can drastically speed up the process. As the line between human and AI creativity blurs, Firefly represents a major step towards democratization of design. Meta owned WhatsApp has rolled out an advanced privacy feature, secret codes for locked chats. This feature is designed to give users an added layer of security, especially for private conversation they want to keep hidden. With the new update, users can assign a unique password or keyword to a locked chat, making it invisible in general chat list. Only by typing specific secret code in the app's search bar will the hidden chat appear. This adds to WhatsApp's existing toolkit of end-to-end encryption and biometric lock features. Rollout is especially relevant in today's digital age where users increasingly prioritize privacy. So whether it is for personal relationships, sensitive professional discussions, or simply to avoid prying eyes, this feature offers an extra blanket of security. The update is available for both Android and iOS, and WhatsApp has hinted that more privacy-focused features are on the way. With this move, WhatsApp continues to reinforce its positioning as a secure, user first messaging platform. Last but not the least, Puneet Jaggi, co-founder of EV startup Blue Smart, has been detained by Enforcement Directorate (ED) in connection with alleged violations involving foreign investments. According to sources, case is tied to Gensol Engineering, the parent company, and concerns the improper utilization of funds. ED claims 21 crores in foreign investments was diverted or misused in the ways that breach FEMA, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act regulations. The case has brought fresh scrutiny to startup funding practices and due diligence in India's growing EV sector. Blue Smart, known for its all-electric ride-hailing fleet, has been a poster child for clean mobility. This incident has raised concerns among the investors, regulators, as the startup was considered one of the most promising in India's sustainable transport space. Jaggi's detention serves as a reminder that regulatory oversight is tightening in startup ecosystem. So while the outcome of the investigation remains to be seen, case undergoes the need for transparent financial practice as Indian startups attract increasing global capital. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow with another one. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all tech updates.